This is my idea of the perfect afternoon. And I have a vision in my head. Our base color will be pops of different deep greens. Let me show you how I find inspiration to create effortless menus. Look at that. And memorable food to share. So easy, yet so elegant and beautiful. I think they're going to love it. The smell of that basil butter is almost killing me. I love having people over, sharing food, sharing stories. That is summer on a plate. You can always do this at the table in front of your friends. I just cannot wait to see their faces. They are adorable. This is going to be too pretty to eat. Come with me as we create incredible food and memorable moments that will live forever.